Okay, time for a room tour here at Jomtien Plaza Residence. Room C302, formerly known as this number. One thing I noticed right away is that lock on the door has double lock, so that's a nice feature. You have an upper lock and a lower lock. And you got a chain lock too, so triple lock. The room is in poor condition. There's a lot of wear and tear on very old fixtures. The mini fridge is in good shape, although the freezer is pretty much an iceberg packed with ice. It's very spacious. There's plenty of room. Again, old, outdated furniture. These two pieces are in good condition, but the wear and tear on the walls, the paint job is in need of a new paint job. The bed looks pretty comfortable and spacious. So yeah, the walls definitely need a paint job. There's marks and scuffs all over the place. Another mini room over here, kind of like a changing room with a big closet and a big mirror. And then finally the bathroom over here is in really poor condition, needs a renovation. You can see the vent is all old and rusty. They do have a tub, but no fixtures to pour the water out, so I guess that's a thing of the past, is bathing here in a tub. Another downside that I noticed immediately, I tried to wash my hands. There's no soap, there's no shampoo, it's just a bath mat and 2 towels is basically all they provide. So yeah, that's a bummer. They do have a nice map for the fire escape, which is great. And as always, you have to put your key card in the slot to get all the lights and the air conditioning working. They did do the best job they could with cleaning the room. The floor is nice and clean, and the bed sheets look like they're freshly washed and clean. However, the room definitely needs a renovation. Oh, and last but not least is the balcony, which is a sliding door, a table with 2 chairs, and again, really old fixtures. The AC, the paint is peeling everywhere. And just, the room needs a major overhaul and a renovation. And I suspect most of the rooms in the building are probably in this shape. Right next to the Jomtien Plaza Beach Hotel and Resort. And just both these places are just like a less than 5-minute walk from the beach over in that direction. It looks like it could be a 3 or 4 minute walk to the beach. And the swimming pool is not in service. The swimming pool is out of service from September 6th to October 7th. So I'm here, I check out on the 8th, so I might be able to take a swim the morning of the 8th. We'll see how that goes. So that's a big disappointment as well. All right, well, thanks for watching. Next, we'll do a lobby tour and a breakfast tour tomorrow morning.